Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to explain you what is model driven app and how it is different from the Canvas app. Okay, so first let me explain you what is the difference between the Canvas app and the model driven app. So as you know, in the Canvas app, like it enables user or a developer to create a design and develop the task specific app. Okay, and whereas in the model driven app we go with only a, let's say, component based kind of thing. Okay, and to create a model driven app, who is going to develop and who is going to consume this app, they should have a specific license assigned to their account, whereas in the Canvas app there is a no point to assign a license to the consumer. Okay, and if I talk about like a connected type of thing, so in the model driven app, let me explain, show you. Okay, so if I go back to this, okay, if I select a blank app, so here you can see build an app on top of the data that is already stored in the dataverse. So it means model driven app is only select the dataverse, whereas in the Canvas app there is a, I would say, a 300 plus connector is available. Okay, so you can connect your Canvas application with your SQL and SharePoint and Dataverse. Like there is a lot of connector available in the Canvas app, whereas in the model driven app we have only a Dataverse option is available. Okay, and now come to the, let's say, uh, uh, implementation, like a logic implementation part. So in a Canvas app, like you can simply write the function. Let's say if you are filter out the data, then you can write a filter, search, patch, you can submit the form. There is a lot of function is available in the Canvas app, whereas in the model driven app, I would say we have a we can create the logic by using a, let's say, business rule. Okay, and we can create a like a workflow as a backend. We can do some actions. Okay, while creating the business process, and then let's suppose if we want to achieve something which is not available inside the model driven app, then we can go with the plugin options we have available. Okay, and the one more things, so like design and view in the model driven app governed by the, like, let's say, component things. Okay, and if I talk about like a Canvas app, let's suppose if you want to make your Canvas application responsive, then you have to build your app in that way. Like you have to use the container, you have to set your label text box in that way so it will look like a responsive, like a work in a both way. That will take you a lot of efforts during development, whereas in the model driven apps you just focus on your backend, and like responsive kind of thing is automatically taken care by the Microsoft. Okay, so you can use your model driven app in the you can like mobile and web in a both of kind of thing. Okay, so and in model driven app, earlier they don't support the version control. So like suppose if changes is done, then it would be difficult to roll back the kind of thing. Okay, whereas in the Canvas app we have a version kind of thing is available. Okay, and like we can't use, let's say, any other connector in the model driven app, but we can do anything, like we can integrate lot of thing in the Canvas app because we have a lot of connector is available. Okay, and one more thing, let's suppose if you are going to create a Canvas app. Okay, so you just focus about the backend thing. Okay, you just do like let's suppose if you created your canvas application, if user is coming, okay, let's add this thing, and you can simply go and add the thing. Okay, if you want to uh, if you want to add the column, if you want to add the any logic, so you can simply do in the canvas app. Whereas like a model driven app approach is follow like a data modeling concept. Okay, like it basically works on top of the data modeling. So if you are going to create a model driven applications, then your data modeling part is very strong. So once you create your data modeling, let's say you once you created your tables, and once you created the relationship, everything, okay, so it become very easy to use the model driven app. Okay, because it is basically work on dataverse. So let me just show you the tables of the dataverse, and let me just open any of this table. So this is the dataverse account table, which is a, and this is a default table. Okay, and in this table you can see we have a relationship keys. Okay, like you can create the one to many kind of relationship. Okay, you can define the security criteria. And if I come to like a user point of view, so you can create the form, different types of forms we have. You can create the views, you can create the chart, you can create the dashboard. And if you want to make any rule, then you can create the business rule. Okay, so everything is work on this inside this dataverse table. But whereas let's say if we want to in the canvas app, if we want to write any business logic, then we can maybe select on a we can write this logic inside the on select of the button on visible app, like lot of things like we have to do manually in the canvas app. Whereas it become very easy, and maybe other developer also because in the canvas application most of the time, let's say if someone build the canvas application and they leave the organizations and we don't have any documentations, then we have to go through like uh, 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 each and every logic inside the canvas application to understand the logic. Whereas in the model driven app, you can just select the table and you can go with the what all the business rules we have. So like in a single place, in a centralized location, I would say we have everything. Okay, so that's the reason I am telling you like data modeling part is very uh, beneficial for the model driven if you are going to create. Okay, so in the next video I will start exploring and uploading the video on this topic as well, like how we can create the data modeling part, and how we can create the form views kind of things. Okay, okay, so thanks for watching this. Please subscribe my channel. See you later.